If you want to customize home screen on Motorola Edge 60 Pro, this is what you can do. So you can simply press and hold your finger on an empty space in the home screen in order to find some customization options such as themes or even fonts. But at the bottom we also have widgets, wallpapers, personalization options, and home settings. So be sure to check them out. If you want to add new apps to the home screen, then of course we can go to the app drawer and then just press and hold your finger on the app that you wish to add to the home screen. So let's say I'm gonna select YouTube over here, and as you press and hold, then you can start moving it in order to be redirected to the home screen. Of course you can move all the way to the left or to the right in order to switch between different pages. And there we go, we can place it here, and there we go, we have a new app. Of course, if you want to remove it from the home screen, then you can do the same thing, but we need to drop it here at the top where we have remove. So for widgets, of course, we can do, as I mentioned, we can just press and hold our finger on an empty space, and here at the bottom we have a widgets. Then you should open the list of all apps that support widgets, that contain some widgets, and then you can just simply choose the app, and then you can add the widget to the home screen. So for example, if I want this one, I can just press and hold my finger on it. I will be redirected to the home screen, and I can just drop it pretty much anywhere. In some cases we can also change the size of these widgets like this, so they can take more or less space. Alright, unfortunately I went into the sidebar by accident, but that's okay. Now, besides widgets, what can we also do is create widget stacks. However, this option seems to be limited only to some widgets or some sizes. Over here, as you can see, I have this option, edit stacks, and if I drop the widget over here, I have different widgets that we can add into the stack. Once you do that, you can just swipe up and down in order to switch between different widgets. Unfortunately, like I said, not every widget seems to be supported, so hopefully in the future it will be even more advanced. Right now this could be improved a little bit, because for example, if I swipe all the way up and if I try to go further up, well, at least this time works, but previously I actually had some issues with it, but it seems to be that it's now working fine, so maybe it was just like a little bug before. Alright, never mind. So, besides apps and widgets, we can also, of course, have folders. In order to create a folder, you can just drag and drop an app into another app. So if I drop this app into this one over here, on top of it, as you can see, I have created a folder, and I can just now keep adding apps to that folder. I can also press and hold my finger on the folder in order to make it, for example, bigger, so that I have quicker access to certain apps that we have in that folder. And if you want to manage pages, then unfortunately you have to do that manually. So what I mean by that is that if you want to add a new page in the home screen, then you need to simply move an app or add an app or a widget, of course, into the new page, which is always on the most far right side. And if you want to remove a page, then you need to simply remove everything from that page or move it somewhere else. And that is pretty much everything that we can do in the home screen on this phone. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.